everybody, it's Michelle, and a lot of you may know me from my craft channel, Craftie. Well, today is my first video for my secondary channel, Healthie. On this channel I plan to focus mostly on healthy, natural ingredients for solutions to anything from health issues to skincare. I believe that natural is always the best choice. With natural ingredients, you're far less likely to experience side effects or any type of drawback. I will try to do videos on everything from weight loss to heart health or dealing with menopause. Some of my personal issues that I deal with are allergies and psoriasis, and I prefer to use natural solutions to those as well. For my psoriasis, I use natural ingredient skincare products as well as an anti-inflammatory diet, which I have found to be more helpful than anything that I've applied topically. So I really want to take a look at that. So for my first video today, I'm going to be making what I call coconut honey butter. It's just a spread that you can put on toast or in your morning oats or wherever you would put honey butter. And it is so delicious. And it only has 2 ingredients, coconut oil and honey. That's all there is to it. And it's equal parts, no problem measuring. And we'll get to that in a few minutes and show you guys how that goes together. And you want, of course, the virgin unrefined coconut oil and a raw honey. And this is one that I got at my local Food City grocery store. Just make sure that it is raw and unpasteurized and as close to local as you can find. The closer to where you live that your honey comes from, the better it's going to be for allergies and so many other things, because then it's more likely to contain pollens that are in that environment, which is what will help with building your immunity to those. So we're going to get started today on our coconut honey butter. It is absolutely delicious. Now, with the coconut oils, I told you guys already that you need the virgin unrefined, and with honey, the raw and unpasteurized. With these natural ingredients, these refining processes and pasteurization processes often just completely kill these natural benefits that are found in these products. So anytime you can find virgin or unrefined or unprocessed, unpasteurized, raw, that is always going to be the best option, because oftentimes if it's processed, you won't have the benefits at all. And with the coconut oil, the virgin and unrefined means that it still has a coconut taste and a coconut smell to it, and it's really delicious. It's not sweet at all, but when you add the honey, the combination of these two is just like candy. It is delicious. And you guys won't believe how easy this goes together. I've got a jar here. It's just another one just like my honey jar there from a previous jar of honey that I had. I cleaned my jar out and kept that to make some coconut honey butter in. And like I told you guys, it's just equal parts. So I'm just going to eyeball it and fill my jar about halfway with honey. So whatever size jar that you guys are using, just fill it halfway. You can make any size batch of this stuff that you want. Let's see, maybe just a touch more. Okay. The only caution I would give you guys about this is because of the honey. I know that health professionals often advise that you not give honey to infants that are younger than 1 year old. So I've got some coconut oil here that I melted in the microwave. This is about, looks like a little over ½ a cup. May not even need all that to finish filling my jar. But be careful when you're melting it, because like I said, the high temperatures of the processing and everything is what kills the benefits. And it does melt at 76 degrees, so you won't have to heat it much. And I'm just going to take that and fill my jar the rest of the way with the coconut oil. And I guess that was just about the perfect amount of coconut oil. And I'm going to take my spoon out here and use a whisk instead. And from here on, the only goal is to keep these from separating so that they're mixed together well when that coconut oil re-solidifies. So I'm just going to whisk and whisk. You can just come back and stir this periodically throughout the cooling process to make sure that it doesn't re-separate on you. If you wanted to, you could put it in the refrigerator for a minute or two to help it cool down a little bit and take it back out. Stir it again in between. But again, you want to be careful about the honey. Honey will crystallize if it gets too cold. The best way is just to continue stirring. And right now I'm just whisking it up until I make sure that that heavy honey is not still separate and weighed down to the bottom of the jar. I'm just making sure it's mixed good. And then once it's mixed good, I can just leave that alone and come back and stir it a little bit every few minutes as it cools and solidifies. And once that coconut oil becomes a solid again, but it's mixed in with that almost liquid honey, then you're going to have a soft spread that you can use in your morning oats or spread it on toast or whatever you want to do with that. One of my favorite things is to spread it on toast and then cover that with cinnamon and make cinnamon toast out of that. It is the best. Healthy cinnamon toast. I just love this stuff. It is so delicious. Okay, so at this point you guys can see the coconut oil is solidified enough that that is going to keep the coconut oil and the honey together and it won't separate. So you can just put a lid on it at this point and it will finish solidifying, and you just want to keep this stored at room temperature, no refrigeration. So you guys be sure to leave me a comment and let me know what you think. If you give this a try, I would love to know how you like it. Be sure to join our Facebook group, Healthy Minds and Bodies. You can share your success stories with us over there, even your failure stories. Let us know what works and what doesn't, and together we'll be able to get healthy. So be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos to come of healthy, natural ingredient food recipes, as well as skincare recipes, and so much more that will be coming on this channel. I've got the other websites that are associated with it as well. I have a Facebook page, the Facebook group, Instagram, Pinterest, and a blog. The blog is called Healthie. I thought that was really cute because I like to take a self-help approach to staying healthy and remind us all that we don't have to be health professionals to eat right and to treat our bodies right. And on the blog, I will also have the recipes and everything over there. If you don't want to stay and watch through the videos, then you can just go over there to get the recipes and join us on our Facebook group. Let us know how it works for you. I'm really looking forward to this healthy journey with you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.